Hi everyone, in this tutorial we will start making our data visualizer app. So first of all, let's create a Python file for it, and I will name it like data underscore visualizer dot py. Okay, and hit enter. So this is my data visualizer app. So first of all, we need to import Streamlit. So import lits. Okay, and then first of all, we let's create a title. So just go to the previous app, just copy these two lines. Okay, copy them and paste them right here. And now instead of writing here density checker, I will say data data visualizer. Now first of all, we need to create a file uploader widget, because with the help of that widget we will ask user to upload multiple files. Okay, so I just need to write here st.file file uploader. Okay, and I will say upload upload multiple multiple files multiple files. Okay, sorry, small I upload multiple files, and then we need to define here the extension typ type. Okay, is equals to, and in this case the extension is xlsx. Okay, which is the extension of excel files. And then we need to store these files inside this files variable. Okay, and just make another property to true, and that is multiple double cpt accept multiple files to true, because user need to upload multiple files. He can upload actually a single file, but it will be good to upload multiple files. Okay, and then after uploading multiple files, first of all we need to get the names of those files. Okay, so let's create here an empty list. Okay, so I will name it like files files and mes names is equals to list list, and that will be an empty list. And first of all we will store all the files name inside this variable. Okay, so I just need to loop through each file, so just write here. But before I loop it, first of all I will check that if my files is true. This means that if user has uploaded files, then I need to loop through it. Okay, so just write here for file file in files files. Okay, and then I will say files files underscore names dot append append. Okay, and I need to append file file dot name. Okay, and then for now just print this list. Okay, so print files files underscore names names. Okay, and let's save it and open the new terminal and write here streamlit data underscore dot py. Hit enter. Not sorry, we need to write here run as well, so just write here run run. Okay, then hit enter, and this will start our Streamlit application, and I hope that this will work fine. So upload multiple files, browse files. Okay, and these are my files. Okay, so let's upload this shop1, shop2 and shop3. Okay, open them, and yeah, we have successfully opened our files here. And now let's see our list. Open the terminal, and yeah, this is my list. Okay, so shop1.xlsx, and these are my three files. So this means that everything is working fine. Now what our second step was to create here a multi-select widget, and which will allow user to select multiple files for visualization. Okay, and just right here, just remove this line. Okay, and here I will say mul not so I will say st.multi multi-select. Okay, and then my label for this will be like selec select files. Okay, this will be my label, and then as an option I will pass the list of these file names. Okay, so options is equals to, and then files underscore names, and this is the reason why I'm extracting these files name. Okay, because I need to pass these files names as my option inside this multi widget. Okay, and I will save my result inside this selected selected underscore files variable. Okay, and then I will check that if selected files is true. This means that if user has selected files, then I just need to make a radio button here. Okay, so I will write here st.radio radio button. Okay, and then for the label I will say select select entity against against that. Okay, and then for the options I will say, so now here I will pass the columns names. This is one of my Excel file, and here as you can see, first of all we have ID. Okay, and then we have this date, then we have GPU, CPU, mouse, keyboard, and casing. So here these are my entities: GPU, CPU, mouse, keyboard, and casing. Okay, so I just need to pass these names here. Okay, so just write here GPU. Okay, then put comma, and then CPU, then put comma, then MOUSE mouse, then KEYBOARD keyboard, and then CASING casing. Okay, and I think yeah, this is good. Okay, so this is my radio button, and now I will save output of this radio button inside this optio and option variable. Okay, but before I actually run it, let's create an other entity here as well, and that will be n or any none. Okay, n or any none, and if user select this none, this means that we do not need to process anything. Okay, so just write here if optio and option is not equal to n or any none. This means that if user has selected something, then we need to process each and everything. And for now, let's print this option. Okay, so print optio and option. Okay, so let's save it, and let's open it again. Let's reload it, select browse files. Okay, select these files, open them, and we need to select files. Okay, so just select this one, and let's select this one, and then this one. Okay, and now let's select this GPU, and let's see the output on the terminal. And yeah, we have selected this GPU. Okay, so this is how everything will work. Okay, I think it's enough for this tutorial, and in the next tutorial we will read our Excel files, and we will actually do some other complicated stuff in the upcoming tutorials. So I will see you there. Till that point, bye bye.